Welcome to the channel Biotech and Science.
Let's discuss about plastids. Definition. Plastids are a diverse group of membrane-bound organelles found in the cells of plants and algae. These versatile structures perform various essential functions, and they can interconvert between different types depending on the cell's requirements. Types of plastids. Plastids can be categorized into several types, including chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. Each type has distinct functions and characteristics. Chromoplasts. Chromoplasts are plastids that store pigments other than chlorophyll, giving flowers and fruits their vibrant colors. They often contain red, orange, or yellow pigments such as carotenoids and anthocyanins. Leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids that mainly function in storing and synthesizing various compounds. They can differentiate into different specialized forms based on their contents. Amyloplasts. Store starch. Proteinoplasts. Store proteins. Eleoplasts. Store oils and fats. Allurinoplasts. Store proteins in seeds. Plastid interconversions. Plastids can transform from one type to another in response to environmental cues or developmental needs. For instance, chloroplasts can convert into chromoplasts in ripening fruits, leading to changes in pigment content. Semi-autonomous organelles. Plastids have their own genetic material and machinery, allowing them to perform some cellular functions independently. This semi-autonomous nature suggests their evolutionary origin from endosymbiotic cyanobacteria. Role in plant growth and development. Plastids are vital for various cellular processes, including photosynthesis, pigment synthesis, storage of nutrients, and the production of essential biomolecules. Plastids exhibit remarkable versatility and play crucial roles in plant biology, contributing significantly to the synthesis of organic compounds, pigmentation, energy production, and overall plant growth.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.